I got this plant that my sister abandoned, but I don't have a big enough flower pot free. But what I do have is an old empty paint bucket, and it's the perfect size for this. I'll paint something cute on it, but first let's prime it to give the paint a foundation to stick to and to cover up the text on the bucket. I'm using white acrylic gesso, but tinting it with this fuchsia acrylic paint to create a light pink background while priming it. I painted one layer vertical and the second horizontal. The handle is kind of in the way, but I leave it in for now and paint it too. I think you can take it off though if it bothers you. 2 layers didn't quite cover up the black text on the paint bucket, so I'll do a third one, but mixing it with just white acrylic paint instead of gesso. If you mixed a darker background color, it would be easier to cover up the text. I'll paint palm tree leaf or other leaf silhouettes on the pink background in dark blue. Or I'll use a few different shades of blue and paint leaves on top of leaves in slightly different shades, similar to the background I made for the Paint This Again video, if you saw that. The stem is painted in one stroke. I'm using a big round brush. And each of the leaves are done in one stroke too. But I went in afterwards and added some darker shading on the leaves. By the way, what species do you think this plant is? I'm having trouble figuring it out. Is it an elephant ear or arrowhead or something else? Then I'll get out my metallic paints and do a golden rim for the leaves. This is similar to a color scheme I saw on a tablecloth fabric recently, except for the pink background. I thought it was a cute pattern and color scheme. Even though I didn't copy it exactly, I just did something similar. Although it might be too on the nose to paint leaves on a plant pot, but painting something detailed on a curved surface can be hard, so I thought this would be simple enough. If you have smaller plants, you can use these to make flower pots. You'll find a few ideas in this video. See you there!